I hopped in a foreign. Circle tight, no more friends. Was broke, but now I'm touring. No breaks, I'm going in. Polo jobs, Ralph Lauren. Don't know where I'm going. This shit getting on.
Alright, y'all. So, if you couldn't tell, this is a new video. I'm not sure what video this is gonna be, but this is a clip in a video. And yeah, I can see the CB. We got the wheels on her. She's looking real good, looking clean, looking clean. Came to the junkyard to buck some to get.
Is this nigga serious?
Some center caps. Car looks clean, but I do want the shit to have the Honda center cap in the center. I got the whole knuckle. I know they're probably not gonna have it, but let's just see if they have a CB7 in here. No CB7s. None. Really just need to find any Honda for real. I'm trying to grab some shit. These is clean, there's some henna. I want some though, if I'm gonna pay for them, I want them to look damn near brand new. Oh, shit. Honda. Shit on there though. God damn. Sheesh. Another beam. Where the bomb? Yo, where the Honda there? Or should I do some? Should I put Acura? Should I do Acura caps? Nah, that's corny. I ain't gonna lie, that's corny. I ain't doing that shit. Acura caps probably would look hard, but it's not a fucking Acura. Let me tell you about the Honda. Honda get bigger number. Oh, there's some right there. Yeah, like look at that one. See, that one look icy. They're the same size. I think they are the same size. Nah, that's a different design though. Damn, which design am I gonna want? Do I want just the H like this, or do I want the one with the whole? Yeah, I just noticed there's different types of designs on the Hondas, bro. Fuck. Hold on, dog. Alright, 2. We gotta move forward. Keep the little Civic. I forgot what this is called. What is this? An EM1? Is that what they call these shits? An EM1? This was automatic. That motor's gone. Oh, hold on. Hold on. What the fuck? Ew. Where's the other ones at? The fuck? See? This that shit at the junkyard, bro. 205/50. Yo, this is a clean little rim. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. These shit's clean. But there's only one, bro. Ain't that some shit? Damn, it's a vert. Is it manual though? It is. Yo, hold on. 4G63? Still clean though. 16 valve, you feel me? All road. It's a clean Audi, I ain't gonna lie. It's automatic though. Oof. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker was running. He was clean. A little wagon, twin turbo. Shit was running. Alright, y'all, so again, I started to fuck with the Accord and not record. It's something so minuscule, I'm thinking, you know, I don't even need to show y'all, but, you know, maybe somebody wants to see this shit. So I have no mic, so if the audio's trash, my bad right now. But as you can see, I already pulled out the the old one, because let me transfer these over, then I'm gonna show you what's up. Oh shit. Oh, this is a magnet. Oh, I did not know this was a magnet. Oh, this is a fire fucking Phillips. But you got 2 Phillips bolts right here. Yeah, that's super fire. Can I pick up both of them though? That's the question. I cannot. Alright, let me put these bolts down. Alright, I'm gonna transfer this one over just like that. Before I transfer it over though, as you can see, this one was broken. I was still being able to open the door because, you know, I'm like that. This guide, I guess with some of them you have to transfer over this little clip for the fucking rod, but this one already has one, so hopefully this one's not cheap and this one works good. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory what we're doing right now, swapping over the parts, and then and yeah. Oh shit, shit getting tight already. Let's see if I can put y'all a certain way. Yeah, you just wanna tighten these Phillips down. Honestly, they probably don't even need to be too tight for real. Oh shit, there it goes, start spinning a little bit. I don't like that, I want that bitch to be, yeah, it's a minute. Make sure when you tighten it down, make sure the Phillips, both of the Phillips ends, I'll show you, hold on. But make sure the Phillips bottom out. Once you feel it bottom out, you don't need to go anymore because, you know, it's plastic. But yeah, so basically, once you see these bottom out, you know what I'm saying, to where it don't wiggle no more. So you can unlock, lock, no problem. You can start putting this bitch back. All right, y'all, so there's a rod right here. I know you can see the rod. And I was really about to do all this without recording it. That's crazy content. All right, bet. So the rod goes into this sleeve, or sits in there, and then you gotta put this little clamp around it so it doesn't, I guess, slide out, I guess. So we're gonna see. I'm probably gonna, yeah, I'm gonna put the connector in first. All right, it still works. That's good. Now this is gonna be the hard part. All right, let's see. Probably the best I'm gonna be able to get it for y'all. I can't even see my damn self. Is it in the hole, y'all? Is it in the hole? I can't see, bruh. All right, it looks like it's in the hole. All right, so when it's in the hole, you want to push down on it and then slide. All right, well, remember that thing I told y'all? I can see it, kinda, sorta, not really. That little, you see how it's facing this way? You want to slide it around the clamp like that. You heard it snap, maybe you didn't, maybe you did. Maybe you heard it snap, maybe you didn't. Focus the fuck up, dog. Now from there, all you have to do, the old one and the new one, as you can see, has these little like ridges. You just want to slide it in there, like boop. I pulled it out like this. It was in there like this. I pushed forward, then I popped it out. It came out pretty easy actually. And then hopefully it goes back in the same way. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go forward, slide it in, maybe angle it. Then I don't know. Y'all better see. Oh. Nope. 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 Way. Should be. That shit is being weird. Alright, y'all, so here's an update. I cut the motherfuckers out because I don't got time to be fighting with no aftermarket bullshit, bro. That's why I do OEM. And I'm not talking shit about the dude who gave it to me, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate free parts. It's just, bro, you gotta go OEM. I don't know. All I know is when you don't go OEM, you end up doing shit like this. So is it really even a new part? You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna redo that whole fucking process again, putting it through, and then yeah, I'll get back to y'all when it's done. It's like that, yeah. Just like that. Here, give me. Imagine I fucking broke this one just now. All right, yeah. Just like that. Everything works. And all I have to do is just cut it a little bit. The fitment, it's basically OEM. This is the other side. I ain't gonna lie, that side looks a lot flusher and a lot cleaner than this side. I don't know. I don't like how that bit low-key fake poking out. I'd rather it poke out just the slightest bit than how it was before. I need that cap. I could have sworn I had that cap. I don't know what I did with that cap, but I don't want to see that bolt. What the fuck? All right, y'all. So in typical fashion, I went ahead and started fucking with the car again without recording it. But you know, I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, or I'm gonna get better at keeping y'all updated, I should say. But essentially, this radiator cap, it's bad. And this is the radiator cap that was on the old radiator. I had reused it thinking it was good. As y'all seen in that video. Damn, I don't think this shit came with a radiator cap, bro. What the fuck? Hold on. What the fuck? Ain't that a better bitch? But as y'all seen in that video, I had reused it. And as you can see, it's shooting coolant everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's not being able to hold the pressure, so it's shooting inside of the overflow, and this is getting overfilled. I'm not too sure what's going on. All I know is this radiator cap is bad, so I went ahead and got a replacement from Advanced Auto. I know usually, y'all know me, usually when I'm replacing parts, or at least with the Beamer, this is not a Beamer, but usually in the past I go OEM everything, you know what I'm saying? But this is a 91. Shit is discontinued for this car, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I'm not really gonna be able to go there to Honda and be like, yo, let me get a radiator cap for this car. I might be able to, but I doubt it. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't even look, but they have this shit. Again, if you guys buy online, it's cheaper than going in the store. You know what I'm saying? Just Apple Pay, whatever you gotta do. Make sure you get the app though, not online. If you go actually like online, like on Safari, it won't be able, you can't use Apple Pay. So if you gotta use Apple Pay, make sure you download the app. This motherfucker, I'm pretty sure this shit was hot. This shit was just simmering. Try to open this bitch, see what happened. Nothing. But yeah, this is what's going on. You can see it right now. Yeah, look. So you guys can see, it looks like it's broken on the inside. Let me try to zoom it in. You see, it looks like it's broken on the inside. It looks like, yeah, that's definitely a little broke. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it because all this coolant everywhere, and I'm pulling up to a parking lot. I pulled up to a parking lot and I hear my shit hissing. I'm like, what the fuck is hissing? Shit was bubbling. So we ain't doing all that. So we're gonna compare. Yeah, it's a big difference. In retrospect, this is the better radiator cap, like the design, what it's supposed to do. But I'm not about to spend $27 on a radiator cap. A little $10 and we good to go. From there you just actually, before I even do that though, I could definitely see coolant's up there. I'm gonna go ahead and pour coolant from the overflow into the fucking radiator. Alright, yeah, so it was definitely shooting up because I made sure to fill it right here. That bitch is all the way up top, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pour that bitch right back in. Or at least till it gets to the max line. Try to do minimum. I'm gonna do this a little bit above minimum, low key. Alright, that's just at minimum, but fuck it, a little bit more. Alright, bet. Have it. Go ahead and put this shit back. I have it at minimum. Just cause, fuck it, why not? That's an RX-7. FC. Savannah, actually, at that. But, yeah. Oh. You just want to twist that bitch on. And then boom. Once it seals, you're good. Oh, did I show y'all the difference? Let me show y'all the difference real quick. Look at the difference, though. It's a big difference. So, that's it. Go ahead, put this one back. Just like that. The CB should be good now. We'll see.
Fast life cause I'm a young nigga. I just pray on crash cause I'm doing about 100 nigga.